Too much GH nie. Ghana for ahwefo etiefo. Onipa bi a won subscribe e too much GH no subscribe wo na ehintasem ensem a ebuafa oman Ghana so na ye de bremu one god nie, the only one god in GH. Eho na de bia mehwe abrechefo ene Ghana for mo wiasa fa na me recommend emamo too much GH.
Aqua Bashonko and Fanko and Mobibia Sabre, Wajibre and share too much GH and so. Nakobo and Shamo said that model support at if you China, the Bribia a year videos, but Mubiano Muba, Beshe, not to say, Bill Sumuta Majeche, Ewo Asim. Now, it was a 4 year to a so no name, Cabo said, Bri, I saw a training issue when a training issue to the Anamuaba, and Ama Owuswa. And some edika or my Ghana and would answer the economy benya and I made it ever fast at the imu and the asumu. Now, Yako and some Sumaka and Rata made it at 2 minutes a year. Senior Minister, ya Osafo Mafo, Sabre, what in Crata, the Koto, a young penny, and himself were resigning at the free office. Now, it was a for and that day update about story and said the office there when a senior minister office on the see day ye at a few at the and ya dear. War resigning, you will be a decent name that be and a new OBM, sir. And it is a fish on why resign on one resignation letter upon a BM to one penny to one among a year office no if you are at a sably. Ye new office be a work Ghana, a senior minister office at the you may be a shall so maybe it may be a found our mind. No, and I'm so Emma, president of Imani Africa. What we are to a year issue, no, and Sama, what can I say? And who be here pass a door said, Sir office ye few now a senior minister, ya was a mafu. On one Casaday Plata betu the so as I know. A bay here pass a gunner for Dium cry, but actually, near Sabine say one chick, ye seek a dear Acosa, a ministerial position or emuno. One chick had the extra because one not there. What can the sister say one who first show dear senior minister office no? At the abroad my Ghana. Who and first today be at say upward my own punto esemon one na say I said that action may see capacity of your money matter say and for so be ambassador to be ya I buy one more diana to say sike be a call into that office no one more answer any and for my name so from nsem no or the to that e Facebook page no chat no say and any jepa says abre abai aya adwen anase to na mo say wo yi sa senior minister office no e dey few ye pa beboa o ti e grapo that say any je e na nkika pa na say e no dey sem no e to do say it is refreshing to learn that the senior minister's office has been scrapped. It was a needless drain on the purse and frankly contributed only opprobrium to the presidency. I just said, and no say the year say a boy kakwa. I just said, go o mampeni natural yeno efim. Nenti to me ye fwana ne pape mu anu. Na o mane ensi won ma was akọ to aso se na me kan say se sika akomu no o mampeni en bomade no wo antwe emre say and on nso wo de atu do say the only slightly positive contribution the senior minister office made was editing the public sector reform policy the NDC prepared. Every other thing the office went on was wasteful. We must demand refunds from the date it was created to the time it was scrapped. Said, or they patches said, a free da, a year office, a buyer, ever pim a bride, the sea the ye edifionum. As he came here, come the eye, the Juma was out on the as I said, yeah, sorry, the enye, and fee a honor, a moment, a moment, me a boy, and said, yes, sing public sector reform policy, and no one crap on the handy for the young woman, and nobody did a 7 kaka, and no pay any do with my senior minister office, no, why ye edabwa or my put on Nabiakeniano, a cabocqua, Ninti, or my peninsula repair, no a cabia comupiano. 1 year ever Emma year my Ghana. Now what can you comfort the one said a year pro and associate $1 million saga. Sikapudra what's that doing one call a year at Chia Sapley. No can say still now that can be a fire and no one them and a year for pay and I'm so generous at the Abacata and 7 years. As we know, even in the yard, said the price on it because senior minister office or office at so by etc or ya osafuma for etwa for today pa yetna sidin ye hwemu kra pa ye hye hu ade bia ye po a wo man wo mu hye da hu hwe ya po a wo man mu aside Ghana beyond 8 agenda no ka po still na Ghana ye beyond 8 still na ye bopisia still na ye jiske fiama no ne ade ya kwan anything say many other projects wo man mi say be ya o man peni won sori na ske bia komu bia no wo mpe kira kwan no anje ensa fasha o man ye futuo emu na ebiso hu ne say de openi ka no eni kwamba kokra because one year she crampo no the office no aboa wo man in so many ways at least o ma start agenda they say one year she pon maka say one year she dey agenda say but at least wo she bia say na say ebre na ma no kwa yo say ye akadi ohihia na say obepia aye nyama o sha say na ma na kodu bebe so open na o nje bia ma na endru sa na say nsuo dudu a and implementation bebe mu na entimi anso na penso a tabe we fit na no nche say wa nye bibi ntu aye bibi a na wo say fata say nipa ya ade a wo fata ye ntis wan na yeso a mono so bo mbodi di mboni ntis wa ye bi ne wetimi enwi a hunu kwa mpo no yenkai say no kwenti no wa ye djuma e de abo man na no yen mbodi di mpa e wo ho na de aka wo kire no ye momodi ya na tese yen sorry ne enye hu adjuma nti abusuafo ye ensema endra damde esomo efa honorable ya osafuma for senior minister ni position na ono akata resignation letter de akoto mampeni nim eni sabe mampeni so eyi sa office no e de fi wono eno ense na sabe me de abesomiti won to adwe ntwe no bomodi ana fa so me e we comment section na share video we on other social media platforms follow yen our Instagram Twitter so @tumagh_ Facebook so @tumagh na na ma owuswa enemy di nyame ya duma e be de share bi makramu.
The major prophet kum chacha on say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH on say me kan ye nye ne bone pa ne kase epe wo wi ase ya asodin ti na adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ne ade kat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH be hwe ne subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne yama papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ewura